Hello, good morning traders. This is Christopher from forexstocks.com. Good morning to you again. Today is Wednesday the 20th of November. Just looking at the charts again. We said the pound dollar yesterday wasn't very clear cut to us, but surely we spoke about the euro dollar. But today again the pound dollar to me still in a side channel. If you look in the hourly chart, it's just finding its own ground, frankly, and it's not very clear cut to me. So this is the channel I'm talking about here today. This is the channel. So we did say it's not very clear, but it's looking like it's heading to the upside. But who knows? This is not very clear to me yet. This is channeling business. I don't know where it's going to go, whether it's going to go up or going to go down, we don't know. So what we're looking at is just leave this pair alone for the next today or tomorrow, and we'll see if today gives a clear directions on it, because there's a cycle here, weekly cycle, and it's just finding its ground. I can see clearly cycle here. It's finding the ground. So still the pound dollar is not very clear cut to me, so why trade it? I don't want to trade something that I'm not clear with. Now euro dollar, we spoke about this yesterday too. We said we're going to look for stop hunt low and buy it. Sure enough, it gave us the false moves in the morning here in the London session, and we were waiting for a move to the upside, and we had this news that came out negative on this candle here. So what happened was we took the trade after the news. You see, the market makers used the news to complete their cycle. Surely they had 1, 2, and 3 pushes outside the Asian channel here, and we went long here, guys. Did we not? We did, and we with 3 pips stop. So we got stopped out at break even. We moved the break even, and then I went long here again on this candle, and surely we had some pips. So we took some 40 pips on the yesterday. I was minus 16 in the morning. I took a couple of trades and I was minus 16, and then we took this one, it was minus 3 as well. So when we took this trade long, we took the trade here, it was plus 40, and then we took the dollar yen as well. I'll explain to you again on that one. That was plus 40 again, so ended up positive day. Day before we did 80 pips, and yesterday we did 61 pips. So we are quite headed up for the week so far already. So now today again in the euro, let's have a look at the hourly chart to give us a clear picture on it. To me, the euro is it's heading up again still. So I would like to see, what I would like to see is the stop hunt zones. Let's have a look at the accumulation channels here. They're not very clear, but we can assume that this is the accumulation channel right there. So I would like to see, this is accumulation right there, look. What I would like to see is some double top formation around this level here, or 3 pushes outside the level here. This is outside the accumulation, and 1, 2, 3, and then double top around this area here at the 135.20, 135.25 levels. So let's have a look what's happening, and we will take it from there. So at the end of the day, is just we need to find that double top, double bottom formation, so we can enter the market with the minimum stop loss. Or the other way you can trade the markets is if you want to see the double bottom, then a break of a trend line, then trade it is more secure. I like to go in here in the market so it's not missed. Okay, so that's the euro dollar. So euro dollar, we're looking at to the up direction, to the up today. Let's have a look at the dollar yen trade yesterday. Dollar yen trade yesterday, I went long here, first trade, and got stopped out. I was long here, guys, and after this I thought that's the double bottom here. Surely it was not, it was my mistake. Should not trade in the middle of the range. So, and I went long, we went long here. We said we're gonna go long here on the break of the trend line, so we went long here, and surely we had 40 pips here. So that was our trade. Again today the dollar yen is looking, let's have a look at the hourly chart to give us a clearer picture. Hourly chart, it's looking, oh, yeah, okay, it's looking very bullish again, still bullish. So I'm still to the up direction on the this pair. Let's have a look at where we can do, where is the accumulation channel. This is the accumulation channel here. So what I would like to see, some breakouts on this channel somewhere. This is the first touch, and then the second touch here. I would like to see just the third touch around here somewhere on this accumulation channel, and W formation around this area here on the around the 99.80 zone, to look for a buy setup on the dollar yen and take it all the way up this time for a few pips. So that's the situation in the dollar yen. So we're still up in that pair too. Let's have a look at the dollar yen, euro yen, sorry. The euro yen, the hourly chart is very bearish. Looks like we've got, well, I'm not sure on this one whether it's going to be a continuation after here, or this is going to be just a trap. Looks like head and shoulder reversal here today on this one. I'm not sure on this one again, so I will watch out. So we've got head and shoulder, so we might see this levels here, head and shoulder reversal to the downside, but we will trade what we see. And it's also clear on the 15-minute chart. It is a clear head and shoulder on the 15-minute chart, guys. If you can see, it's been rising for quite a while, this pair, and I would like to see it dropping a bit. I mean, if you look at the 4-hourly chart as well, we've been rising, and but the 4-hourly chart, it looks bullish. You know, this is the first one, and then the second, and then third, and then one, and then this could be the last level here. So always the third push on the 4-hourly chart becomes small and falls. As you can see here, those falls, 2 candles, and then we had reversal on half a Batman here. Okay, so this is the formation of the market. It comes like this: W, and then V, and V, and then M, and then it comes like this: M, A, W. So this is something that we need to consider in the future in the education section that we do. But yeah, looking at this after all these moves here today, so we could see it very becoming change of directions here. What that means is come down, retest here all these zones, the 133 70, 133 80 zones, or we could see the 133 34 around the 34 134 20 is a psychological level, or 134 level to break out here and see how it goes. So it is, I am mixed directional on this. I'll have to see what happens after London today and see what happens if we have a breakout, if we go to the 15-minute chart. If we go to 15-minute chart here, and if we see that we have to watch these levels here, so it will be around the level of, let's have a look, put the cursor on. We are looking at this level, which is around 135.70, so I would say the 135.80 for psychological level. Okay, so if we see something here, form double top, and then we'll have to wait until this trend line breaks in London here, then we'll take it short. If it doesn't, then we'll have to see, take it from there, see what happens, and just trade as we what we see. This is it for today, guys. Oh, let's have a look at the dollar Swiss. Surely the dollar Swiss, we predicted yesterday to the downside, and we did say we want to see three pushes around this levels here, and sure it comes. Okay, have a nice signals here. One push, second push, and third push outside the area, and this is the false move to the day. There's two ways you can trade this here, guys. You can take short after the spin bar, or you can take short after this, the bullish engulfing. You see bullish engulfing and you go short. That's a magic trick. Or and then you can wait for this trend line to break, and then here you take short here and you put your stop on the top here, and you make your pips. So that's how you trade, guys, and that's how we do things at the Forex Thugs here. We have educational course as well. We charge around $700-800 for it. That comes with weekly webinars, and it comes with the education. It comes with weekly webinars twice or three times a week, and all questions and answer sessions. If you want to inquire about that, please give us a call, and then we'll have a look at what we can do for you personally, on a personal level. We look at your experience in the market, and we work on that. We don't say you don't know anything. We will just work on what you have, and just build on it and see, and just make you develop that little bit extra that you needed. Thank you very much, guys, for listening, and have a good day, and I'll speak to you on Skype shortly. You have a great day. Thanks.